This is my account that I created on July 24th, and this is my other account that I created on the same day. The main reason for me to go ahead and join on this website, I really wanted to see if you can really make money from this website, if you can receive free money from kind people and rich people on this website. So I joined on this website on July this year, and I really wanted to see how this is going to work. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers, I've seen a lot of content creators, they say that if you join on this website and explain how much you want, you are actually going to receive the money that you want from this website. So I was so excited, and in this video I'm going to show you what exactly happened to me and what is in my account right now. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to be honest with you, and let's stay together and see how this is going to work. So I followed all the necessary steps for me to be able to join on this website, and I came to realize that it's really not easy for a person from Africa to join on this website, because for now these websites are not available in Africa. You can just see them, but you really cannot join on this website. So what I did was to go ahead and download VPN. As you know that by using VPN, you can be able to change your current location. This is what I did. I joined on these two websites that they claim that you can get real money, you can get free money from rich people and kind people. And this is my first website that I joined, which is called justgiving.com. This website provides direct support to individual, community, or family. On this website, justgiving.com, let's say that you're facing really hard times, you're facing medical problems, it can be about special event that you want to host and you really don't have money in your pocket. So the only thing that you can do, they say that if you go on this website and join on this website and explain what you want, how much you want on anything that you want to achieve, you can go on this website and explain there, and kind of people, rich people, are going to give you free money just after see what you want from this website. So it's really easy to join. Go ahead and join. This is what I heard about this website. So I was so excited, and I said, okay, I'm going to join on this website and I will see how much I'm going to make in a given time. It was July, 2 months ago from now, and in this video I'm going to show you what exactly happened to me just after joining on this website, which is called justgiving.com. Alright, so I moved forward to another website. I joined on this website, which is called Fund My Travel. This website is said to help people raise money for travel expenses. Let's say that you want to go somewhere. It can be India, it can be Bali, Indonesia, it can be Thailand, whatever. But if you really want to go there but you don't have money in your pocket, this platform is there for you. This platform is going to help you raising money for your traveling expenses. All you have to do is for you to go on this platform, join there, and you can explain how much you want for your travel expenses, what exactly is your traveling purpose. You can explain there, and which people and people they may help you to donate or to give you money for free, and you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so let's go together and see all my accounts, my two accounts, and what exactly is in my account right now, 2 months after joining on this website. As you can see, as I told you before, there are two websites that I joined. So I have two accounts and I'm going to show you. So this is my profile. As you can see there, I explained right here why I wanted to travel and how much I wanted on my travel campaign. Accommodation $1,000, passport visa $900, total amount $2,500. So this campaign is said to end on November 23rd. Only a few days from now this campaign will be end, but I waited for free money all these days, more than 60 days, and too bad I didn't get even $1 on this platform. But also let's go to another account that from justgiving.com, and the same, nobody donated on this account. So I got $0 from both of my account, and this really pains because I was expecting that I would get like $4,000. Many people from YouTube, they say that you can get up to $10,000 or $50,000 just for free from rich people, and they just say that, but when you come and try on these things, it's really not easy for you to get even $1. I kept on waiting for more than 60 days, and I was so excited to see how much I'm going to make from rich people, how much I'm going to receive from rich people for free. But I came to realize it's really not working out this way, because I tried too many websites, I tried too many methods. It's really not easy, especially from this website that they have mentioned that you can get money from rich people. It's really not easy, and it's really not working out. And I want to tell you one thing, and I hope that this thing is going to make you a lot of money and is going to change your life, to transform your life completely. Listen to me careful. Only a few months ago, I was facing really hard time this year, and the only thing that I did, I was trying to reach out to different rich people on Instagram, Twitter, but also I tried to join on this website, and I was hoping that I can get free money from rich people. So all that I did at that time was to go on internet and search for free money. That's what I did from more than 2 months straight. I was doing that. I did everything that I could to make sure that I get free money. But I came to realize it's really not easy to get free money from rich people, especially if you're not going to offer anything in return. It's really not easy to get free money. That's what I noticed. So I want to tell you one thing. If you are 20 years old, 30 years old, or on your 50s, if you have internet on your mobile phone, you can learn some skills and it can change your life completely. You can learn some skills and you can start working on that skills. If you're just going to provide value to people with that skills that you have learned, you can make a lot of money. So stop wasting your time on internet and expecting people to give free money. I know we're facing a lot of hard time, but if you really want like a lot of money, and if you really want to be free with what you want, you can just learn new skills and you can start making money by providing value to people, because the more you provide value to people, the more you're going to receive a lot of money. This is what I noticed, and my life has changed completely right now. At least I can have food in my apartment, at least I have a place to stay, because I learned these skills and I started to provide value to different people around the world, and that's the reason my life was completely changed. So you can also do the same. It's not too late. It doesn't matter how old are you right now. You are not too young or you're not too old to provide value to your community, to provide value to different people. So you can start right now just by learning skills every single day, and you can start providing value. At the end of the time, you can have a lot of money. I hope that this is going to help you in a very good way, in a very positive way. And I'm really sorry if I made you feel bad by saying this, but there is no free money that you can find online. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you next time.